Hello guys, welcome to our channel Info Voice. Let's see what we will discuss today. Today we will discuss about top 5 weird ways people smuggle drugs. Let's see what question arises from this topic. What exactly the drug is? A drug is any substance, with the exception of food and water, when taken into the body, alters the body's function either physically or psychologically. Drugs may be legal, for example alcohol, caffeine and tobacco, or illegal, for example cocaine and heroin. Now my today's topic is the weird ways people smuggle drugs. Now don't wasting your time, let's come to the point. So let's start the countdown. Number 5th is in sneakers. A Mexican woman was stopped at a border crossing in Texas and found to have cocaine in the soles of her shoes. US Customs and Border Protection, an unusually heavy pair of sneakers, altered border agents in El Paso, Texas, that a smuggling attempt may have been afoot. A woman from Ciudad Juarez was stopped on September 5 as she tried to pass through the Ysleta International Pedestrian Crossing. During an inspection, CBP agents noticed that shoes were heavy and the inner soles were thick and bulky. After an X-ray revealed an anomaly in the soles, agents probed them, uncovering a white powder that tested positive for cocaine, 1.3 pounds in total. Number 4th one is inside food. It seems that hiding drugs inside food is a common theme among drug smugglers. In April 2017, 9 people were arrested for smuggling drugs inside fresh pineapples. In a joint task force involving Portugal and Spain police, a drug shipping operation based out of Portugal was halted. Number 3rd one is inside art. In January 2017, the United States Customs and Border Protection Department intercepted a statue of snail for Cincinnati, Ohio. Upon breaking the statue, the officials discovered a plastic bag containing over 50 pounds of methamphetamine. The package was shipped from Mexico and was labeled as Mexico Stonecrafts. The drugs had an estimated street value of $100,000. In March 2020, the United States Customs and Border Protection officials discovered more drugs being smuggled through religious paintings. A craft full of 8 paintings was seized, and upon drilling into the picture frames, it was discovered that they were filled with methamphetamine. Officials found a total of 9.2 pounds distributed between the paintings with an estimated street value of $16,000. Number 2nd is in pineapples. The smugglers filled plastic bags with cocaine and inserted them in pineapples. It was believed that smugglers had been using this method for months undetected by the authorities. At the time of the bust, over 1,000 apples containing 745 kilograms of cocaine were seized. The drugs had an estimated street value of whopping $22.4 million. After this case made national headlines, Spanish authorities began to intercept copycat shipments using the same packaging methods. And the last one is inside animals. In February 2006, the United States Drug Enforcement Agency arrested 22 Colombian nationals for attempting to smuggle heroin into the United States. Officials say that the men surgically implanted the drugs into puppies in hopes of evading detection. The men were able to bring over 20 kilograms into the United States by slitting open the puppies and inserting the drugs into their body cavities. Unfortunately, 3 puppies died from the complications involving having the packages inserted into them. The estimated street value of the heroin was over $20 million. This practice carries tremendous risk, with thousands of drug mules dying each year by accidental overdose. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.